Good morning, new 1%. It's Satoshi Boomin coming at you with another video. Guys, I'm gonna have to ask you to hit that subscribe button. We are trying to get to 15,000 subscribers. I cannot do it without you guys. We're making that push just like VeChain is making that push this instant. I got my hot tea and honey locked and loaded, ready to go. Leave 2, 3, 4, 5 comments down below. And let's get into the show. Guys, what a time to be alive, right? What a time to be alive. When in doubt, always zoom out. And when we look at this chart, guys, what can I say? What can I do to show how much I'm thinking about freaking you? I don't know why I said that, but that's just goes to show how I'm feeling right now with the markets. VeChain is currently on its way to 20 cents. Haters would say that it was impossible. Fudsters will say that it was impossible. Fudsters are literally shaking in their boots right now. I don't know what the people that have fudded my channel for the past year and a half are doing right now. They are MIA at this current moment. I have not seen them. I have not heard from them. They have deleted their accounts. They're somewhere in Timbuktu, Africa right now, trying to live an unidentifiable life because they got egg on their face. And it feels so great, guys. We're up 14.2% on the day, guys. And yeah, man, it's just a testament to finding undervalued companies and just buying and holding. It's not, I mean, I sound like a broken record each and every day. But, I mean, the facts don't change, guys. The facts have never changed. They're never going to change. That's why the facts are the facts. Okay? Buying and holding and hodling, in my humble opinion, just some random dude on the internet's opinion, is the way to go to financial success, guys. And we can see that here. Yes, we're in the midst of a bull run. I think alt season is currently occurring now. And yeah, we're just patiently waiting. 25 cents is the next goal, guys, and we are 1/4 of the way there. Let's just see what else the market has in store for us, what time has in store for us, and yeah, like I say once and I say again, I plan on investing in digital assets, crypto, for the next 50 years. And I hope a lot of you are going to be there to join me in this journey. So I'm very, very happy. I'm very, very pleased with where we are now. And now it's just about, again, keeping VeChain accountable, following the news, hodling, and doing what's best for our portfolio. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Enjoy today, guys. You truly deserve it. You do. Each and every one of you. I know I might sit here and laugh when people say, oh, I got 20,000 VeChains and 5,000 VeChains. I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing at, how far we've come. I'm joyful about how far we've come. Never in my life would I think that people would be excited to pick up 5,000 VeChains. The brain is a very strange organ. And while we were back here, I don't want to say I didn't have any faith that we were going to get to $1. That's not true. It's just that, you never quite know until it happens. And we're here. We're almost there, guys. Everything is well within the realm of possibility. And we just gotta I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless right now. So we're gonna move on to the news, guys. That's enough of the price news. People keep asking me, is it too late to invest in VeChain? Is it too late to invest in crypto? Guys, people have been saying that it was too late since 2011. When I got into the crypto space a few years back, I thought I was too late. All right, guys. So you're never too late to invest. You're never too late. It's never too late to invest in your future, and it's never too late to put your money to work. All right, guys. So I don't think it's too late. Not financial advice. You know, do your own research before dumping your money into any coin. And if you think that it has a good roadmap and you think that it has a good community, then it's never too late. Just like I don't think it's never. I don't care how much Cardano goes up. I'm still going to buy Cardano every week. That's never going to stop. Same thing with Bitcoin. Same thing with ETH. Same thing with VeChain, guys. You know, I'm just going to continue to buy it for the rest of my life. And yeah, that's it, guys. I know I spent 6 minutes on it. Let's move on. Looking at the VITRO burn, guys. Yesterday we burned about 31,000 VITRO. Today we're burning about 11,000 VITRO. That is with the gas fee adjusted. So looks like we're doing pretty well here. Clauses are up. Well, they were up a couple of days ago. They're down today. Let's go ahead and refresh this before I get too ahead of myself. Actually, yes. So clauses are up. I needed to refresh it. So transactions are up. VITRO burn is a little bit down, and that's to be expected. Now, been getting a lot of questions about VITRO. Let's take a quick look at VITRO price here, guys. It's up 30%, almost 40% on the day. Crazy, 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 crazy. I know that there was a lot of FUD and, you know, a lot of uncertainty. That's what FUD is about VITRO. Again, I didn't expect the VITRO price to really be affected. Holy shit. I just looked up briefly. Look at that gas fee. Oh my God. Lord have mercy on our souls. 519 gwei on the Ethereum network. Holy smokers. This ain't no jokers, guys. We need the Alonzo hard fork. We need VeChain 2.0 out this instant. This is ridiculous. I mean, yes, Ethereum is great. And it has done some great things. And yes, the gas price. I'm on a tangent right now if you had not noticed. And yes, because let's back up. I was watching some stuff yesterday. I like to watch people who contradict my worldview. I like to watch people who contradict what I believe in order to keep myself grounded and balanced. So I was listening to some Ethereum maxis yesterday. And they were talking about, you know, Ethereum and, you know, Ethereum versus Cardano. And they were like, yes, the gas fees are high on Ethereum, but that is a testament to the demand of Ethereum right now. The demand of Ethereum is so great that the gas fees are extremely, extremely high. I would agree with that, Ethereum community person. But then what we need to say is, if your demand is so high, you need to be able to be pliable. You need to be able to be malleable. Currently, right now, and I know this is a tangent, but I'm going to finish my thought. Currently, right now, I want to go buy some shit coins right now. There's a couple of shit coins I have my eye on. Meme coins, you know, 100x. Just basic shit coins, guys. I want to buy some shit coins right now. In order to do that, I bet 519 gwei in order to interact with some of those coins and those smart contracts is probably going to cost me about $500. I guarantee it. That is insane. And what's the problem with Ethereum is not the gas fees. The problem with Ethereum is the governance, guys. That is the problem with Ethereum. That is what VeChain has been able to solve with fee delegation and proof of authority. And that is what Cardano is trying to solve with Voltaire, with Project Catalyst, these experiments. That is the big issue, not the gas prices themselves, because, you know, the gas prices are a parameter change, not for Ethereum, but for Cardano and VeChain. Those are parameter changes. With Ethereum, like, you have to get all the miners to agree for these parameter changes and these improvement proposals. So that was a tangent, guys. I'm sorry. I peeked up and I saw that and I almost dropped a deuce in my pants. Anyway, moving on. So we got the VITRO price here back on track. People have been asking me, is it Too late to buy VeTho, this, that, and the third. I'm starting to come around to the fact that VeTho is, moved by speculation. So if you want to buy up a lot of cheap VeTho, like I've always said, if you want to buy up a lot of cheap VeTho and you want to just hold on to it and see what happens if it can get to $1, by all means, I think you should. It's well within the possibility that, VeTho could still get to $1. Even though it has no real max supply or anything like that, but I think that it can. We need a supermassive VeChain run, kind of like what is happening right now on the mainnet once 2.0 comes out. If we could get like a popular NFT platform, something crazy, something we could sell like $100 million of an NFT on the VeChain platform, I have no doubts that the VeTho burn could skyrocket, because people are going to be like, what the heck is this? I want to get in. They're going to have to create NFTs on the VeChain Thor blockchain, and then they're going to have to continue to burn VeTho. So that would definitely be good. And the popularity and the congestion could shoot VeTho up. We've already taken a look at the gas prices on the VeTho network. Those have already been adjusted. But VeTho itself is still looking strong, guys. It's up 40% on the day. And it definitely has room to grow. I mean, it's not out of the realm of possibility that we could get to $1. Okay, so just a recap on VeTho, the fee reduction has not affected the price just yet, which is always good for us. Okay, we have Boosted Yoda here again about POA 2.0. The VeChain POA 2.0 testnet is waking up. Currently 25 transactions of 100 clauses each. That is 2,500 transactions per block. At this rate, nonstop all day, that is 21 million transactions a day. Each block, 40.1 million gas, 1,000 gas costs, 0.1 VeTho equals 425 VeTho burn per block. That is 3.46 million VeTho per day. Now, I'll believe it when I see it. Okay? I'll believe it when I see it. I'm not getting too excited. 21 million transactions a day is definitely very, very bullish. We need to start seeing Walmart trying to get back online. We need to start seeing, all these companies that we have onboarded to get on the mainnet and start burning some VeTho before I get too excited. Let's see what happens when POA 2.0 comes out. Let's see if we could get some adoption. I'm going to be doing my best, guys. I'm going to try to tell you about all these apps. There's probably going to be more apps that I can tell you about. So once this comes out, let's make sure we're using the apps. Let's make sure that we're supporting the VeChain ecosystem. I know it's easier said than done, and I know that's a duh moment, but, Okay, moving on. We got the wonderful Isaac here. Let's give him a hand clap of praise here. We have VeChain and SDGs. Envisioning UN SDGs through the lens of energy sustainability in post-COVID-19 world, Cointelegraph presented an example of VeChain's success using blockchain technology in Shanghai Gas, China. So we know that VeChain Thor blockchain is providing blockchains as a service to the Shanghai Gas in Shanghai, China, guys. So we are mentioned in another research paper, doing the hard science each and every day. It ain't nothing new, guys. And this right here, this is going to get us to the promised land right here. Not the surface level price crap. This right here is going to get us to the promised land. Research. V-search. Takes an effort. We've got the wonderful Eisenreich yet again. Please follow him. And please, before we get into it, please donate to his tip jar here, guys. He does amazing work. He deserves it. He deserves to be tipped. Always putting out that fire. Always keeping us up to date on the VeChain news. a valuable member of the community. We have VeChain and NFTs. VeChain community ambassador Noah Hugh joined a recent panel to discuss the surge in popularity and future of NFTs. But VeChain's community developers have been innovating NFT technology before it's cool. That's true, by the way. That's true. On this channel, this is documented. On this channel, we've been talking about NFTs way before, the hype came. So if you don't know, you should probably be subscribed to this channel because we be breaking news like crazy on here. Subscribe, donate to the Patreon, baby. We're coming for 15K. We deserve it. So we've been talking about NFTs since the beginning of this show, actually. Last year, we've been talking about NFTs. Remember Vulcanverse? We haven't heard too much about them. I think they moved to Matic Network. For some reason, I don't know what the heck happened with Vulcanverse and VeChain. I thought they were doing good, but, some FUD or I don't know what happened. I tried to stay out of all that drama, but they were one of the first NFTs on here. And then, you remember VimWorld back in the day, old VimWorld 1.0? You remember the Lil Sunny NFT that sold out in literally 2 seconds for like 100,000 VeChain? You remember that? I remember that. That was a long time ago. That was before any of these crypto punks and all this stuff came out and all these NFTs, the Beeple NFTs. That was before all that. So, yeah, VeChain's community developers have been innovating NFT technology before it was cool. We've been messing with NFTs before it was cool and talking about NFTs before it was cool. So where's our cookie? Give me a cookie. I deserve a cookie. Moving on. All right, guys. VeChain mentioned in another paper here. VeChain has been mentioned in the Sustainability Report 2020 by the H&M Group. Sunny mentioned recently. VeChain continues to work with H&M to track the production and journey and share it with their customers for more product groups, guys. Yes, sir. H&M is extremely focused on sustainability, even, losing manufacturers from Chinese sweatshops. We did that news like a month ago. H&M stopped using suppliers from certain Chinese manufacturers because they were promoting sweatshop labor and stuff like that. And again, guys, VeChain doesn't want to be associated with nothing like that. We need sustainable and humane tracking and traceability environment. Okay, guys. So cost a traceability pilot with a blockchain company VeChain to trace and share the production of journey of recycled wool sweaters. Customers were able to scan a QR code on the product label for traceability information. All right, guys. And lastly here, we've got Sunny Lu. Greater and braver people build on the VeChain Thor to reveal the value of blockchain. And yes, sir, I would agree. So VeChain is the platform for great and brave people in the businesses around the world, guys. We already know this. VeChain is literally, I think VeChain is kind of like a Vine or a virus, a good one, where we literally get our foot in the door and then we infect, we seep, we branch out just based on what we do, guys. I mean, we're talking about Internet of Things technology and software as a service technology, guys, in the blockchain space, which is so woefully underdeveloped, guys. I'm telling you right now, please do this. Please do this. When you're at work, when you're walking around, I don't know what you guys do on a Thursday, I guess. What are you guys doing on a, wait, is today Thursday? Yes. What are you guys doing on a Thursday? When you're bopping around, talking to your friends, going out to brunch. I know some of you are going out to brunch with friends today. Ask them, do you know what a VeChain is? Ask them, what can you tell me about blockchain? Do you understand blockchain? Where's blockchain going to be in 5 to 10 years? Ask them that. We're talking about normies here, people. People have no idea what's coming. And the fact that they still don't is a boon for us, but for them, they're gonna be left behind, guys, and they'll find out. It's just gonna be too late. Sunny Lou tweeted, "The greater and braver ones are building real applications of VeChain Thor to reveal the value of blockchain. VeChain is just a ferry to help you guys to the other side of the future," and I would agree. Sunny Lou wrote, "Had a very exciting discussion with one of my friends who have been devoting herself to innovate the education territory. After 30 minutes, she was convinced that VeChain could help her realize her dream of the future." So many use cases for Internet of Things technology. So many use cases for blockchain, guys. Few still understand this, guys. Few still understand this. We're still so infantile. We're still so early. Don't ever forget that. All right, guys. I'm very talkative today. Let's give a shout out to our wonderful Patreon subscribers. We have a new Patreon subscriber. Yes, we do. Thank you to Leon Jackson. I really appreciate you, brother. Thank you for joining the V train here, guys. The greatest community known to man, hands down, the V fam. We have our wonderful Patreon subscribers: AJ, Burke, Arlicott, Smack Harris, Sergio, Lassie, Nilsson, Fernline, Jeffrey, Ethan, AmericanRemedies.com, Maryland 4 Crypto, Bruce Wayne, Feruz Den, Brady Adams, Joe Minez, Kyle Bocci, CryptoSVT.si, Eric Parra, Added the Voice for the People, HBDSouthBay.com, Daniel A, Crypto Chemtrails, Climax, ZH, Angela Schroyer, Craig Wadding, C. Vale, Maker Dow Crumbs, Bearder. And then we have the wonderful Leon Jackson there. Thank you so much, brother. I really appreciate you. Please hit that subscribe button, guys. We are pushing to 15K. I can't do it without you. I need you. I really do need you. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a like down below. Taking a look at the Bitcoin block halving reward countdown, guys. We have 1,115 days. People still don't get it, bro. People still it's not computing in their heads right now. I'm trying to scream to the mountaintops to people. But you know, when Bitcoin was at 10K, I sounded like a crazy person. I did. When we were back here in Bitcoin, we're going to take a look. Actually, let me go ahead and move it on over to the go ahead and give that a refresh there. Wham bam. Thank you, ma'am. Let's go ahead and give Bitcoin a look-see. Now, about a year and a half ago, I was screaming to the mountaintops, hey, you guys should probably buy Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin is about to have its halving. It crashed for really no reason back then. Like, yeah, it went to 20K, but it's going to come back up. And people didn't believe me. They just looked at me like I was crazy, and that's okay. That's totally fine. But now there's no more excuses. There's no more excuses to be a no-coiner out here. And people still aren't buying any Bitcoin. I don't understand why. But you cannot say you didn't know now. It's impossible to say you didn't know, in my humble opinion. And if you don't know, now you know, guys. And you know, this isn't even scratching the surface of what Bitcoin will do if there's no black swan events that occur. Guys, the next halving that's going to occur, only 3 Bitcoins will be released each block halving. Each block reward, guys. 3. And then in 4 more years after that, 1 Bitcoin will be blocked, will be minted every block. And don't even tell me, I don't even want to think about what's going to happen in 12 years, guys, if Bitcoin continues to still move on this track. Less than 1 Bitcoin in 12 years, guys. Less than 1 Bitcoin will be mined every block. Do you not understand that? That is like rich motherfuckers are going to be fighting over pieces of Bitcoin, bro. People are like, oh, you know, that's never going to happen, blah, blah, blah. Guys, there's only 21 million Bitcoin. There's not enough Bitcoin out there for every millionaire to get one. And the block rewards keep falling. And the miners aren't selling anymore. So guys, that's why I show this thing every day. Because don't forget about what's going to happen in 4 years. Forget about what's going to happen in 8 years. I want to know what's going to happen in 12 years if Bitcoin is still around and it has not gotten flipped yet. Lord have mercy. That's all I'm going to say is Lord have mercy. I'm not even going to finish that. Let's take a look at the markets as a whole, guys. XDC network is up 50% for some reason. Maker going crazy right now. 3,000 for Maker right now. Yearn Finance, 52K. Good for Yearn. I like Yearn. Yearn is cool. You can earn some good yield on that. Just wish the gas prices were a little bit lower. VeChain, almost in the top 10. It's the top 15 coin, baby. For some reason, Ethereum Classic is pumping. I know Cardano's been trying to save their ass, but, you know, it is what it is. Holochain pumping. Let's see what we get. Anything else? No. Dent pumping. I should have bought Dent when it was right when the bull run started. I should have just put 1,000 in the Dent and that would have been good. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to stop blabbering on. It looks like a sea of green. I think alt season is currently occurring, guys. Look at this. The Bitcoin dominance continues to drop, guys. Continues to drop. This is exactly what we want to see. That gas. Oh, my God. Lord have mercy. I feel so bad for everybody trying to buy shit coins on Uniswap right now. Y'all are down bad right now, bro. 520 gwei. That is insane. All right, guys. I'm outie. I love you guys. I will talk to you soon with the Cardano updates. You don't want to miss it. Don't let your memes be dreams. Enjoy today, guys. You deserve it. Bye.